For now, in the rear, we're going to be replacing the actual license plate lights and the reverse lights, okay? And then we have our T10s for the license plate lights, and then we have, like I mentioned before, this is our previous T15s that we will put into the backup lights, but these are going to be the new models as well that will be available soon. These will be much brighter than the current T15s, okay? And then we have here just comparison of the halogen bulbs that we removed and an aftermarket LED bulb that was in here already. Unfortunately, we can't test this one because it looks like it's already burned out. So to get started, all we're going to be doing is removing some plastic clips which hold the cover up here. So all we got to do is just pull those out. You just got to get the first 1, 2, 3, 4 top ones, and that's enough to loosen it up. And then from there, we're going to start with the first backup light, which is right here. Right there, that's gonna be your backup. It's a T15, and we're just gonna pull that off. And the first one we're gonna test is gonna be our current T15. We're gonna install that first. These are non-polarity, so you don't have to worry about it which way it goes in. If you can get that turned on real quick, get the backup on. So there you have it, guys. That's our current T15, all right? So let me pull out the halogen just so you guys can get a comparison. One more time, please. So there you see, much brighter than the halogen, okay? And now we're actually gonna put the new T15s and show you how that looks. These are polarity sensitive, so you will need to test, make sure they're installed correctly. Light them up. As you can see right there, it's not lighting up. Very simple, disconnect, flip over, reconnect, go for it. And there you go. You can see it's much brighter than the previous ones. And this is the one that's gonna be going into this vehicle, okay? So let me get that in there and we'll show you the rest. And that's the new T15s we're gonna be releasing soon. They are still being developed, so keep an eye out for those. And you just can see right now it's just way much brighter than the current T15s we make and the halogens.